What is going on, guys? Just a quick video to show you guys that I finally finished the stylized scene I was working on, and it is now up on the Emerald Marketplace for you guys to purchase. So it comes with all the assets that you see here, and basically this is just then put together for a night scene, and I will show you a day variant, and I'll also show you the asset overview so you can see every asset you actually get. So if I come through, got smoke, some particles, so the fireflies, nothing too special. Got this little guy with a little flame. Come in here. Again, I'll show you these in a bit more detail in the actual asset overview, but we've got some weapons. Just realised this isn't scaled up, which is fine, because I could scale that up now if I want. 1.1. There you go. Perfect. And we come up here. It's like this, and things are quite dynamic. So if I come into this, for example, this will actually change all tiles because they are all referencing the same tile sort of texture I'm using here. So if you wanted to create a separate material for that, you can, and then just throw a separate one on the actual well. But if I wanted it red, for example, that will change all roofs I have in the level at the moment to red, so they all fit the same theme. Green. And if I also want, I got this little, I can change the brightness of the well, and I can also increase sort of highlights like that. Come over here. I've got some water stuff. Again, adjustable. I can click in here, come into some stuff, adjust it. Same with the splash at the bottom. And I can also move these around in the river, and it will, using depth fade or distance fields actually, sort of make some foam around it. Got some city area over here. And we come in, a bit more detailed stuff. And if we go over to the day variant, we can have a look at this one. So same thing, exactly the same layout. It's just different lighting. And yeah, if we go to the asset overview, have a quick look at actually every asset in the scene. So if we come out, it's every asset. These are blueprints over here, which are essentially made up of the building assets. So these are basically pre-built bits for you, just in case you don't really like, either you like some designs already, so you don't have to put the extra time into making them manually, or if you do want, you got the separate walls as well, which you can take and do it manually. Here are all the weapons. Our particles. Our foliage. They're scaled up here for obvious reasons to show you guys, well, to show you them, because if they were their normal size, in comparison, the trees will obviously be huge. Here are all the assets. And again, some of the building pieces. And the water at the back. For those of you who did follow around on the development, I hope you guys enjoyed. It took us quite some time to get all of it together, but it worked out at the end. I am also working on a little side project using this kit, because I enjoyed it so much. We won't save. There we are. So obviously no character yet, but I like the idea of 2.5D. I thought I'd throw this little bit together. It took me a couple hours just to sort of get what I wanted. And yeah, I think I may make something from this. It was more just seeing if I could put something together using the kit, and it seemed to work pretty well. Yeah, again, for those of you who did follow around development, I hope you've enjoyed the experience. I hope you've enjoyed sort of the processes behind making all this kind of stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.